Hey, this is Tim. 2010 Toyota Tacoma. Blower motor does not work at all at any speeds. So we're going to check it out and see if we got power to it. See if we're going to use our power probe and see the blower motor works. Check out the resistor. Looks like somebody's changed the resistor because it's got different wires on it and it's been crimped, so it's definitely been changed. So I'm thinking probably the blower motor's the culprit, but we'll find out. Just 1 second. Well, it's getting power to it. Got good ground. And it's got power. I had it turned on a minute ago, and it's got power on it. Turn the key switch on. So it's got 12 volts going to it. It's got ground. And I tried to power probe it. Let's see, we're going in here like this. Power's on the right side. We'll try to touch it here. See what it does. Ain't doing anything. Alright, the size turned out to be a 7/32, so that's just what I used. Try to get you up here where you can see. Right here. It might work. Hopefully you can see right there. Anyway, you got 3. One there, one on this side. And then of course you'll have one in the back. This should be it. Come right out. And then we'll take that little clip off, and then we'll test it even again. I'll even bench test it just to make sure. And I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Then we'll order a new one. I always bench test them too, just to make sure. You've never tested enough. Well, we got it plugged up. That's in my light. Down here like this. We got it plugged up, so let's see how it works. If it works. I see it works, but it ain't working on all speeds. Alright, even though this blower motor resistor has been changed because it's got the updated when they spliced it, but it's only working on high speed, so we're going to replace it. I'm going to get a new one, and be right back. On your resistor, you're just going to have these two bolts right here. Maybe just one sits in there. I'd have to look at it. Just pull that off and unplug it. If you'll have to update it with a new wiring if it hasn't already been done. But that's the blower motor resistor where you take it off. Yeah, as soon as I got it off, I seen the culprit, which usually just happens. Ground on the burnout right there on the plug, so I'm gonna have to put a new plug on it, which it comes with it. 9 times out of 10, that's what happens on them. It's not the resistor itself, it's the plug-in, but. All right, so this will be part number 973582. It'll come with, let's see here, put you down right here. It'll come with your new kit with your wiring, new plug. Get your new plug in here. That'll split your wires up. Put them where they go. make sure they go exactly where they go that when you take them off. So they're not color coded. So this one goes on that one, on the end and the end. Put the one on the end on the end, and here's your connectors. Of course, they just slide in there and you crimp them. And really don't need it, but we're gonna put one in it. I'm pretty sure it's probably just a plug, and it comes with a new one, so we're gonna put a new one in it. Pretty much what I seen the last one, you put your plug in next to it. So you got your last plug right here. So take your last plug right here. We're gonna undo it at the top there. I'll get it just a second and hook it to your into this one on the same side. Let's do them all like that. I did not use these, but it came with. I used one and I didn't like the way it crimped, so I just used my blue ones. You could use your own if you want. Just crimp it like that, and I'm gonna hook it up. All right, I just get a little zip tied up there like that. All right, blower motor works on low. Works on all the speeds now. So next time you get one of these, I like to change them in pairs, do the blower motor and resistor, but always look at that resistor plug. But this one had a bad blower motor also. So all right, thanks for watching.